Hello guys, Mbote! Welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're new here, welcome and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. I just want to inform you that we have invested in buying new equipment. That means very soon we will be making videos in which you will be finally seeing my face. That won't just be about learning Lingala language. There will be more fun and interesting topics such as discovering the real Congo in all its diverse aspects, like all its beautiful places to visit, its real history, people, music, breaking news, sport, storytellings, ethnic food. Yes, the Congolese cuisine, makusa, mama nangaye. Also, we will be talking about entrepreneurship, motivation, and of course, Pan-Africanism. Yes, we need to talk how we can build bridges between Africans on the continent and those in the diaspora. It's time to change history. It's time to bring back Africa to the first position it once occupied. Yes, it's time to impose respect. It's time to design the future that we want to see for Africa and all the Africans around the world. The future is now. The change is now. Yes, I'm inviting you now to share this video with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe and to activate all the notifications to be notified when we upload a new video. You can also connect with me and befriend me on Instagram at Lingala Academy. Stay tuned and see you soon. Ingeta.